Alright, servicing the cabin air filter in a 2025 Toyota Corolla. It's pretty simple to get to it. It's going to be located behind the glove box, and we're going to have to lower the glove box door. We're going to disconnect this damper here first. Push the glove box stoppers in, okay, like that. There's two of them. So push this one in. It's kind of hard with one hand, but you can do it. What you can also do, since I'm here with one hand, is you can actually pull up on the bottom and disconnect it from its hinge if you want, like that. You can see here are the hinges here. Okay, you don't have to take anything apart. Just come right off these guys here. And we're gonna take this door off. We're gonna squeeze this right here, pull towards you, and then pull it off like that. And when you take that door off, notice how it has these feet on it. Notice how we have this gap here, okay? It's very important for putting it back. So we're gonna pull out the cabin filter holder. You can pull out the filter and just replace the element, okay? Now if you notice that on the factory filters, they're labeled up, okay? You got up on the holder here. On your aftermarket filters, they're usually labeled with airflow direction with an arrow, and that is going to be down, okay? And if you need an aftermarket filter, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct size. You can actually get a better one than this factory one. You can get one that has like a little bit more charcoal in it, impregnated in it, and that helps with odor, okay? And they last a little bit longer that way. But once you get it swapped out, put this guy back in here. Now what you need to do is, if we just stick it in here, notice how low it sits now. We need to get it all the way back, okay? Like all the way. Okay. Now it sits up a lot higher. Okay, we can stick your finger in this crack. That's so you can get this door back on. So this door won't go on unless that's all the way pushed all the way back. Just like that. And get the glove box. Put it on the hinges. It just rests on there, and we just close it. And hook the damper back up. You're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me and leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.